వెల్కమ్ టు గరుడ మీడియా. ఆగస్ట్ 14th టెట్ పేపర్లో మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ సొల్యూషన్స్ చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ కాంపోజిట్ నెంబర్స్ ఫ్రమ్ 1 to 100? 1 to 100 prime numbers 25. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Therefore, composite numbers we get by subtract 25 and 1. From 100 we get 74. 100 minus 25 minus 1, that equal to 74. This is the correct answer. Second problem, find the least number which when divided by 12, 16 and 24 leaves a remainder 7 in each case. We get the least number which when divided by 12, 16 and 24 leaves remainder 0, that is LCM. LCM of 12, 16 and 24. 12, 16, 24. 4 is the common factor. By dividing 4, 4 3s are, 4 4s are, 4 6s are. Here also 3 is the common factor of 3 and 6. By dividing with 2 again, we get LCM. 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 2s are 48. This leaves the remainder 0, but remainder 7 ఉండాలని అడిగారు కాబట్టి 7 యాడ్ చేయాలి. ఆన్సర్ 55. Next problem, which of the following sets of side measures can form a triangle? ఇక్కడ సైడ్స్ మెజర్మెంట్స్ ఇచ్చారు. ఏ సైడ్స్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఫామ్ చేస్తాయని అడిగారు. ట్రయాంగిల్ ఇన్ఈక్వాలిటీ ప్రాపర్టీ ఏది సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తే అవి ట్రయాంగిల్ సైడ్స్ అవుతాయి. అంటే సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఎనీ టూ సైడ్స్ ఈజ్ ఆల్వేస్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ థర్డ్ సైడ్. ఇక్కడ ఆప్షన్ ఏలో 7 + 7 14 which is less than 15, so it is not a sides of triangle. 8 + 9 17 which is greater than 16. 7 + 6 13 which is equal to 13. 6 + 8 14 equal to 14. So option B can form a triangle. Next problem, the angle bisectors of parallelogram enclose which geometric shape? The sum of adjacent sides equal to 180, then the sum of half angles equal to 90. By using angle sum property of a triangle, this angle we get 90 degrees. In similar way, all angles are 90 degrees. So this is a rectangle. Rectangle is the correct answer. Next sum. The class marks of a frequency distribution are given as 50, 100, 150, 200, 250 and so on. What is the class interval corresponding to the class mark 350? 350 class mark ఉన్న class interval ఏదో అడిగారు. Here the difference between the class marks is 50. This is the class size. Here class size 200, here 100, here 70, here 50. So this is the correct answer. Next problem. X root x whole power x equal to x power x root x. Then find the value of x. X root x means x power 3 by 2 whole power x equal to x power x root x means x power 3 by 2. Therefore, by equating the exponents, we get 3 by 2x equal to x power 3 by 2. Then 3 by 2 equal to, by transposing x, we get x power 3 by 2 minus 1, that equal to x power 1 by 2. By squaring both sides, we get x equal to 9 by 4. 9 by 4 is the correct answer. Next problem. X square minus 1 is a factor of a x power 4 bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. Which of the following relation is true? Here x square minus 1 is a factor, that means x plus 1 is a factor and also x minus 1 is a factor. If x minus 1 factor, then p of 1 equal to 0. If x plus 1 is a factor, then p of minus 1 equal to 0. P of minus 1, by substituting minus 1 in place of x, we get a minus b plus c minus d plus e equal to 0. By transposing minus b and minus d, we get the relation a plus c plus e equal to b plus d. C is the correct answer. Next sum. In a garden, 1 by 5 of the bees are on jasmines and 1 by 3 are on roses. 3 times the difference of the bees on jasmines and roses are on lilies. If the remaining 1 bee is flying freely, find the total number of bees. Let's take total number of bees n. Then the bees on jasmine, 1 by 5 of n. The bees on roses, 1 by 3 of n plus the difference of the bees on jasmines and roses. That means 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5. That equal to 2 by 15 3 times of n of n plus 1 equal to n minus 1. By simplifying this, we get 3 plus 5, 8 plus 6, 14. 14 by 15 n equal to n minus 1. Then 1 equal to 15 minus 14 by 15, that equal to 1 by 15 n. Therefore n equal to 15. This is the correct answer. Next problem. A staircase has 20 steps, each with a height of 15 centimeters and a width of 20 centimeters. Find the total slant length of the staircase in centimeters. ఒక స్టేర్ కేసు మెజర్మెంట్స్ ఇచ్చారు, స్లాంట్ లెంత్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఒక స్టేర్ కేసు స్లాంట్ లెంత్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే 20 స్టెప్స్, ఒక స్టెప్ స్లాంట్ లెంత్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే 20 స్టెప్స్ స్లాంట్ లెంత్ వస్తుంది. This is the step measurements 20, 15, then slant length square root of 20 square plus 15 square, that equal to 25. This is the slant length of one step. We have 20 steps. By multiplying with 20, we get 500. This is the total slant length. Option B, correct answer. Next problem. In a rhombus, the side is 4x plus 3 and one diagonal is 8x minus 16. What is the length of the other diagonal? రాంబస్ ఒక సైడ్ ఇచ్చారు, ఒక డయాగనల్ ఇచ్చారు, సెకండ్ డయాగనల్ ఎంత అడిగారు. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద రాంబస్. This is the diagonal. Here this side is 4x plus 3. This is another diagonal. In rhombus, diagonals are perpendicularly bisect each other. This diagonal is 8x minus 6. Therefore this is 4x minus 3. Here the right angle triangle is formed. Therefore ఈ సైడ్ పైథాగరస్ థీరం యూజ్ చేసి మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. 4x plus 3 whole square minus 4x minus 3 whole square root of. This is the length of this part, half part of another diagonal. We get square root of a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square equal to 4ab. 4ab. 4 4s are 16 3s are 48x. Square root of 48x. By simplifying this, 4 root 3x. This part is 4 root 3x, and also this part also equal 4 root 3x. Therefore, second diagonal 8 root 3x. This is the correct answer. Next problem. A cube with a total surface area of 96 centimeters square is melted and cast into cuboid of breadth 4 centimeters and height 2 centimeters. Find the length of the cuboid in centimeters. Cube surface, total surface area given. That means 6a square given. 6a square 96, then a equal to 4, 4 centimeters. Then volume of the cube, a cube equal to 4 cube, that means 64 cubic centimeters, which is equal to volume of the cuboid, that is L into breadth into height. By simplifying, we get 8 8s are 8 is the length of the cuboid is 8 centimeters. This is the correct answer.